Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are doing great. I'm your host Wajiha Naeem and welcome to my channel in Crowdbuzz. If you are new here, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any interesting video. So let's get started. Today we will learn how to remove any person or an object from the image in Canva. First of all, select the image or upload the image from which you want to remove. I will select this image, set image as a background. Now I want to remove this person from here. I will select the image and I will go to the edit photo. There is an option magic eraser. I will select this. You can adjust the size of the brush accordingly, and I will drag this brush on the image and move it slowly. It will remove the object or a person magically. It takes some time to remove, so let's see. Here, this is how you can remove any object or person. If there is something left, you can erase this like this again. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.